Hey guys, welcome back to Master P online tutorial video. And today I'll teach you how to do the calibration, like a vertical, horizontal, and step calibration and bidirection adjustment. This machine is very powerful and industrial because it allows you to do lots of calibration to get the mass precision and resolution. For example, some other machine cannot allow you to adjust the vertical calibration because the print head, if you install not vertical like this, so the print out quality will be very bad. Even if you install print head like this, the back side, front side is not flat like this. So the print out quality also will not good. So the horizontal and the vertical also need to change to adjustment calibration before you print a next job. Okay, so let's do it. Okay, first we need to do the vertical calibration to check if the print head is installed with correct position. So first we need to put a paper, white paper, on the top of the table, and we move to the print head position. We put the paper on the middle, and also adjust to check if the carriage will scratch print head or not. So it's not safety. It's 2 or 3 millimeter. Then we place X home, and then we go to. Also, we need to click off the central option. Click off, and then we go to test and vertical calibration to print. Okay, we can see the print out quality, and this KCCMMY, and the vertical print out quality. We must be sure the first time print is this. The first time print out. This line is printed by two times. The first time. This is the first time, and the top is the second time. This one is 2. And we must be sure this line is straight. It's not close. If the first time printed like this, and the second time printed like this, to right, it's not straight. So this is wrong. We need to adjust the print head. We need to adjust the print here, and we adjust by this way. Rotate it, and move the print head this way, front, and this to back. And if it's printed like this way, it's also wrong. Then we need to adjust print head by this way to move the print head this to front, this to back. That means the print head is not vertical with the table, with the carriage. And if print out is first turn this way, and the second time also the same way, by this, the connection position is straight. That means the print head is vertical. It's correct. Okay, when we see the print out lines, we can see the second one, the bottom top. The top is printed to a little bit to right. It's to right. So we need to adjust the print head to right a little bit. So we go to the print head, and we need to go to print head, and we need to loosen. Please remember, no need to loosen the print head screw, but we loosen this, the connection position. We loosen the first screw, the second one, and also back side too. And we move a little bit to right because the wood the print out show is we need to move to this way, so we move a little bit this way, but not too much. Then we lock again. And then we print again. We go to software and test vertical calibration. And we can see right now it's jacked. The first one, the second one is fully closed. This is the first one, second one, the connect position is jacked lines. And this one is not jacked, it's across. So this is correct. So in one word, if you cannot get, the print out quality lines like this to right, so you just move the print head to right. And if the print out to left, the bottom position to left, so you just move the print head to left to adjust. And no need to remove the screw on the print head, but loosen the screw on the connection aluminum board, and adjust it, lock the print head, and then print again. So this is the procedure to do the step calibration. And also we remove the white paper, and we do the calibration vertical for the white print head the same way. We just go to software and we do the vertical print again. But also we need to open the white ink option. And we go to test vertical calibration. And we can see the white ink is also print out. And see the white ink is the top. The top also a little bit moved to right. So we also will do the same way to adjust the print head a little bit to right. We find out the same adapter board screw, and we loosen it. And then we will adjust the print head to right. Then we lock it. So after we adjust, then we do the calibration print again from software. Right now we can see the white one pass, second one, first one, second one is totally closed. It's one straight lines. This straight lines is not overlap. This is a little bit of overlap. The first one, second one overlap. This one is white. The first one, second one is straight lines print out. So this is the vertical calibration for white print head. White and color all are good. So it's only take you just 1 minute to adjust it. And just remember, we no need to loosen the screw on the print head, but loosen the screw on the adapter board for both white and color print head. And once you adjust this the first time when you get the machine, later even you want to change print head, you don't need to do this vertical calibration anymore. Just the one time to do it. Except that you change the board, change the carriage, you need to do it again. But actually you no need to adjust the carriage, to change the carriage, because it's never broken. Okay, so this is the procedure for vertical calibration. Thank you.